Okay, so for this video we're going to work with the empty step, and we've talked about this in class where as we stood we went from side to side and shifted our weight. We lifted our feet or pushed up off one foot, lift up and sunk down across and then lifted up on our foot and went down and across and so forth. Now we're going to do the same thing, but we're actually going to be taking steps and moving forward. So for this video, for this exercise, we're going to put some tape on the floor and we're going to use those as guidelines. And that tape lines up with the distance between my feet that represents my feet, my hips lined up with the outside of my feet. We're going to use the ball again as our way to keep our balance and help with our coordination as we move forward. So again, holding the ball very lightly, and for this exercise we'll start out shifting the weight down onto the right foot. We'll now at the beginning you could slide your foot forward on that line, and then slowly as you move your way forward and you sink your weight down, so you can see my knees are bent on both legs, and then when I get onto that front leg I can push up. You see how I lift up on my right foot, sink my weight down now on the left foot, and keeping my weight on that left foot I'm going to slide my right foot forward, moving now gently my weight onto that right foot, keeping the knees bent. You can see how I'm sunken down now on this one, and then I push up off of the right foot, lifting up on the heel of the left. Now I sink my weight down on the right foot and I slide along that line my left foot, moving my weight down onto that left foot. See how I'm sunken down on both knees are down bent. Now I push up off of that left foot and I lift up on the heel of the right. Okay, I'm going to go back and do that again so that we can follow that again. We can shift our weight down onto the left foot, slide the right foot forward. I'm using those lines, so very important to keep that relaxed. Moving my weight down onto that right foot, now pushing up. Sinking my weight down on the right, slide the left foot forward. Keep the knees bent, move the weight onto the left foot, and push the weight up on the left foot. Lift up on the heel of the right. Sink the weight down on the left, slide the foot across on the right, keep the weight on the left. Move my weight now down onto the right, push up off the right. Sink down on the right, slide my foot with the left, sink down on the left, push up off the left. Okay, just one thing I'm going to add is, very important is when I sink my weight down on the left and slide whatever the right foot forward, I want to make sure that I keep my weight on the left foot so that I can test myself. I can lift up on that foot, there's no weight on it, and I'll move forward onto that foot and then so on. Okay, very good. Thank you.